Reading instruction. Over the last few decades, much controversy has existed over the best methods of reading instruction. Proponents of the two main methods, the whole language approach or explicit phonics instruction, are still, after all this time, at loggerheads. When I completed my teaching degree in the 1980s, we were instructed in the whole language approach. This presumes that children will learn to read in the same way as they learn to speak. However, this approach assumes several things. They need to be interested and motivated to read. They need to be surrounded by quality literature. They need to have the time and opportunity to read. They need to concentrate on the meaning of what they read. They should work out unknown words from context clues. The sounding out of unknown words should be discouraged. Some children learn to read extremely well using this approach. Usually, they are children who come from language-enriched homes. This approach works for a lot of children who do not have any of the issues which make learning to read difficult. Children who have ADHD, auditory processing disorder, or who cannot blend sounds effectively need a more structured approach. It is estimated that 1 in 5 primary school students struggle with reading. It is estimated that 46% of the Australian population have some degree of difficulty with reading. Thankfully, many schools are now trying to bridge the gap by incorporating phonics into reading skills lessons. The phonics approach has been used for centuries. It instructs in connecting sounds with letters or groups of letters. It is sequential, beginning with simple sounds of letters of the alphabet. Specific sounds are then clustered together to form patterns and words. Phonics teaches students to decode unknown words. The Listen to Read program encompasses strategies from both methods, but relies heavily on phonics strategies. It goes back to basics and fills in the gaps in the reading process. It can also help to move average readers up into the next bracket by giving them advanced word attack strategies. How can anyone read for meaning when they struggle to identify several words in a sentence or paragraph? The short answer is they can't. At least if they can decode the word, they have a better chance of retaining the meaning of a sentence. Once decoding is improved, comprehension and fluency can become the focus.